Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1994 Mercedes E320 convertible. This has only 102,000 miles on it. It's a California car with a clean Carfax, clean title, in really spectacular condition. It's black with a tan interior, automatic top, everything works perfectly. Air blows cold, top works perfect, windows work perfect. These are newer tires. Gorgeous interior, shows almost no wear. Dashboard is primo. This is one of my favorite cars because this is a straight 6-cylinder, very smooth, extremely reliable, extremely inexpensive car to own. It's just had a smog, just passed smog 2 days ago. Beautiful condition. This is 6 CD player, factory. Interior's excellent shape. Underneath is very nice. Tools, spare tire. It's all, this car's been babied. Top works perfectly. No lights on the dash, no issues, no problem. I unfortunately dirtied the carpet, but the carpets, everything are in great condition. As I said, it has 102,000 miles on it. These cars are great. We'll go for a quick drive. So you can see the dash all works. Gauges all work. So I can put the windows up so we don't get the buffeting. Engine runs like silk. So here we go, a little quick spin. I'm sure you know it's 4-wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, airbags. It's a very modern car. Really a sweet driving car. Very smooth. Boy, the new tires just make it feel like silk. Very nice, no rattles at all. You know, some convertibles have what they call cowl shake. Mercedes feel like they're carved out of a solid piece of steel. This car is a pleasure. This car needs nothing. Air conditioning blows cold, fresh smog, brand new tires. All the systems work properly. Looks like it has Bluetooth. I'm not sure about that, but that's what I take that speaker to be. 102,000 miles. Carfax shows it's been in California. Really, the color combo, the black with the tan, is really hard to beat. These cars have good performance. Very nice. Very smooth shifts. Goes down the road absolutely straight as an arrow. Stops under braking straight, doesn't shift or dart. It's quite quiet with it top down but the windows up. It's amazingly quiet. So I think we'll let this rider go first. So let's review 1994 Mercedes E320, California car, 100,000 miles on it, is all beautifully maintained, clean Carfax, fresh smog, new tires, being sold by a motivated seller. So we have financing, delivery. Let me know how we can earn your business. Thank you.